In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about navigating Amazon's return policy, especially when you're outside the typical 30-day window. Whether you're dealing with a defective item, have a warranty question, or you've simply changed your mind, we'll go over the best steps to help you make the most of your buying experience. First, let's tackle scenarios involving defective or damaged items. If you've discovered a fault with your purchase, your first course of action should be to reach out to Amazon's customer service. Even if it's past the 30-day return window, it's important to contact them as soon as you notice the issue. When you do, be clear and detailed in explaining what's wrong with the item. Describe any visible defects or damages to give them a clear picture of the situation. Depending on the specifics, Amazon may offer a range of solutions. These could include sending you a replacement item, offering a repair, or even processing a partial or full refund. The exact outcome will depend on the circumstances, but rest assured, Amazon typically offers fair resolutions for defective items. Now, let's move on to items that fall under a manufacturer's warranty. Sometimes, your purchase might be covered by a separate warranty offered by the manufacturer even after Amazon's return period has ended. If you find yourself in this situation, refer to the product's original packaging or documentation for details on how to reach out to the manufacturer directly. They might offer their own processes for repairs or replacements that extend beyond Amazon's provisions. This can be a useful route if you need additional support for an item outside Amazon's return timeframe. Finally, let's discuss what to do if your item isn't defective and it's simply a change of mind. Amazon's standard policy is quite strict about the 30-day window for returns, but there might still be options available to you. In some cases, customer service can still assist with processing a return if the item is in excellent condition. However, you should be prepared for the possibility of incurring a restocking fee for these types of returns. It's essential to weigh this cost against the value of the item and decide if it's worth pursuing. If none of these options are feasible, consider alternative routes to find a new home for your purchase. You might opt to sell it online using platforms better suited for secondhand goods, or perhaps gift it to someone who would appreciate it. This way, you can ensure the item is put to good use without completely losing out. With these strategies in mind, you should feel more confident in handling returns and making informed decisions about your Amazon purchases, even beyond the usual return window. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!